Hello everyone. So this is the part 2 of post exploitation. So I already let you know multiple things in part 1. You can see. So you can visit or you can see in my past lecture because this is totally dependent on the first part 1. So let's start with this. So guys, you can see we are connect with our target system. How Let me revise you because in part 1 I have already let you know how we connect. So we tried from here. If you see the website, if you go to here, new tab, and type the IP of your website, for example, this was our website and command execution. So you see we execute the our injected code from here, then we are able to connect that, right? So you see in my part one, right? So now I will like execute the command, all command here. So let's start. So here we can start the type the command. What we can do, guys, we like you can see in backend, you can see there is a dbwa website on this server, and we execute our command from this website dbwa. So now we are able to hack this server. This is the server ip and this is my ip, right? That means from my ip I'm able to hack this server or this ip on in and in this ip this website is hosted dbwa, you can see, right? Now execute the command. First one, I am executing command who I am, who am I, right? If you enter here, so it will return wwa data. That means this is the user which I am, right? So this is the user in this system, right? But I'm not a root user. Root user very powerful user, right? Which like root user can do anything. This is like something like admin type user, right? So but I'm not root user, I'm a www hyphen data user. So now execute other command, you name hyphen a. If you execute, so this command will let you know which system we are using on this website, right? So we are using linux meta exploitable to this system we are using, you can see. That means this is your server which we are using this operating system on this website where we host this website. So the operating system is linux, and the another information you can see, right? So let's execute another command. If you go to the ls, you know ls we use for the list of file. So you can see there are three files, help, index.php, source. So you can also like visit to the ls or source, like source and help or index, whatever file you will see on your target. So you can also visit on that folders and files, right? Just first we type pwd, you know where we are on the our target system. So you can see I am in where www because you can see I execute my command this dbw and vulnerability and execute in this folder I am currently, right? So I will go back. If you type cd, so you will see we go back one time, then I will type again, then again three time I am typing, then see pwd. So you see I am where www. Now you will in first time you see I was here, dvwa is a website. Now I am in wwa. Now we will see the like use the ls also hyphen l. This will be the full information, right? So guys, there are, oh, like guys, there are multiple things you can see. We are able to access dvwa. This is the website. Matilde, this is also a website. And TikiWiki, this is also a website. TikiWiki, this one also is a website. That means, guys, and you can see the permission here. I'm able to read write all permission here, guys. This is important. Like I will let you know there, if like this there is a server and there is a website. For example, dvwa is a website. This website is hosted on that server, but you don't know if you access the, or you will able to hack this website dvwa. Then you can see I just hacked the website dvwa, and dvwa website on the this server, this IP server, right? But when I hack this DBWA website, so you can see I am also able to access the other website, right? Whatever website hosted on this server, I am able to access all those websites. So in my initial lecture, I already told you once time, like if you are not able to access or hack your personal target, then you can scan that target. You can look at there are another website also on that server, so you can also hack the other website. Through that other website you can all you will able to access or hack the website which are hosted on the same server. For example, this is the server. If you visit this server, like this is your server, right? We work on DBWA, we hack DBWA website, but now you can see I'm able to all these website. That means in this server there are 5 website hosted, but I attacked only the one website. After attacking my on one website, I will able to hack this website, but in this server there are 5 websites, so I am also able to access these all 5 websites. That means through the one website I am able to hack the all website, entire website, whatever website is hosted on this server, right? So this is the very like critical point here. So let me open again my terminal. So guys, you can see, you can see the all permissions, all website here, whatever here, you can also look at that all those things here. So this is very like important. If you're not able to actual hack your target, you can also hack the other website which are hosted on your target, and through that you can also, or you will be able to hack all website, whatever uh, website hosted on a server, right? So now you can, like if you want to, so what you can do, let me type cd. Okay, tab will not work here. Yeah, tab is not working. So let me try another thing. Tab will not work here, so I will directly type the command cd then middle multiidae. Right, I have typed that. That means I hope I'm in Mittilde website. And now you can use the cat command to read the file. Cat, or you can type etc here. Type the command etc, then password. Okay, temple not for pass w d, I think. Okay, if you enter here, so you will able to access the password file where in middle day you can see, and this is the password file. So this is the your password file. You can see here. If I make this something bigger, so you will see there are multiple things which you can look at in this, and you can also find the your user. So this is the root user which I was saying, like I was the like www dash data user. So this is the root user. You can also use that user, and whatever you want you can access from here. There are multiple sensitive information here, so you can use that. The mainly purpose is that there is a file passw password file, so you can you are able to now access that also files, or you can also change in this file whatever, because we have the all permission read and write. So guys, this is the part 2 post exploitation. I have already covered part 1, so I will provide the link in the description, because part 1 is the very important, because we make the connection on the part 1. Then after the making connection, how we use the command, so I let you know into the part 2. So I will also cover other lecture in post exploitation, because this is the very big like uh, chapter post exploitation. So please subscribe my channel to get the upcoming latest video, or I am making the like complete tutorial. So already I will give you the link in my description, the complete tutorial link or complete my playlist, so you can also get the latest video, or you will get the all videos in my tutorial. And please subscribe and like and share this video to get the upcoming video, to subscribe that channel. So that's all in this video. Let's see in my next post exploitation video. Thank you.